bill so high? What am I going to do with this bill? These days, peak hours tend to be greater demand for electricity. The best way to reduce your electric bill is to install solar power system. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is gained using a range of technologies such as solar power to generate electricity. Technology converts sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic cells or mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. Nowadays, there are lots of devices and appliances that use small solar panels, which results to less electrical consumption. The energies can be used to generate electricity or be stored in batteries or thermal storage. The sun provides more than enough energy to meet the world's energy needs. As a renewable source, the only limitation of solar power is our ability to turn it into electricity in an efficient and cost-effective way.
There are 6 main components of a solar power, and these are power inverter, electric battery, charge controller, solar inverter, photovoltaics, and solar panel. Power inverter is an electronic device that converts the direct current from the solar panel to alternating current. Electric battery. Lithium-ion battery which are used to store collected energy delivered by a charge controller. Charge controller is a device that regulates the voltage output from the solar panel. Solar inverter will take the direct current from batteries and turn it into alternating current. Photovoltaics are renewable energy technology which transforms the energy from the sun into electricity. Solar panel is a solar PV system that serves as receptacle for sunlight and converts the incident photons to electric power.
Solar power is cost-effective in the long run. The installation have a high upfront cost, however, this is quickly compensated by energy bill savings. They may even generate a profit from its use in the future. It has a significant advantage over traditional energy systems because it eliminates weakness in systems that were previously thought to be irreversible. This does not pollute the environment because it produces few emissions. It also contains no moving parts, thus produce no noise. Improvements and innovations are still on our way to lessen the demand of electrical energy.